Welcome to our ice maker comparison video. Today, we will be diving into a detailed analysis of two popular countertop ice makers, the SMUG Countertop ice maker and the Silonn Nugget ice maker. We'll explore their unique features, performance metrics, and overall value to help you choose the right one for your home or office. Let's get started. The first major difference between these two ice makers is the type of ice they produce. The SMUG Countertop ice maker creates classic bullet ice, which is great for cooling drinks quickly but tends to melt faster. On the other hand, the Silonn Nugget ice maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is not only fun to eat, but also chills beverages more effectively. This makes the Silonn a preferred choice for those who enjoy a different texture in their drinks. When it comes to daily production capacity, the Silonn Nugget ice maker takes the lead with an impressive output of 33 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. In contrast, the SMUG Countertop ice maker produces up to 26.5 pounds daily, which is sufficient for casual use, but may fall short during busy events. This difference is crucial for those who require a steady supply of ice. Price is another significant factor to consider. The SMUG Countertop ice maker is priced at a budget-friendly $69, making it accessible for many users looking for a simple ice-making solution. In contrast, the Silonn Nugget ice maker comes with a premium price tag of $249, reflecting its advanced features and higher daily output. While the Silonn offers more functionality, the choice ultimately depends on your budget and ice needs. In conclusion, both the SMUG Countertop ice maker and the Silonn Nugget ice maker have their unique strengths. If you're looking for an affordable, portable option for basic ice needs, the SMUG is a great choice. However, if you prioritize the texture of nugget ice and higher production capacity, the Silonn is worth the investment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.